what's good, what's up? It's your girl Haley Elise. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, I'm so happy y'all are here because we got a lot to talk about today. I wanted to try something a little bit new, and I wanted to give y'all a list of my favorite products in 2022. Okay, never done this before, but I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm becoming a product junkie. And I think ever since I got my license, I've really been diving into hair care products and ingredients and who makes what and what everything does. And so this year, y'all, I have bought more products than I would like to tell y'all about. And here we are. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. All right, let's go. Okay, first up, I'm gonna talk about my favorite foams of 2022. We have our Paul Mitchell Extra Body Sculpting Foam. I actually started using this product way back when I first started going to cosmetology school. I actually attended Paul Mitchell, the school. Forgot all about this product, had some left over, and I started using it on the ends of my braids. And my favorite thing about this is how quickly it dries. It has a really good hold as well. Again, as you can see here, my braids have been up for over a month. And as a professional, when you're trying to get in, get out, you know, do your style, make sure your client is good to go, this is definitely a go-to and one of my favorites. Second in the foam category would be my Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. I really like this because it has a really good hold. So I've actually used this on my twist outs a few times. The dry time is pretty decent. It does not hold a candle to the Paul Mitchell. So these differences are just something that comes with the territory. But y'all, I absolutely love this. And something else that's really good about it is that you don't need a lot. So if you at home, you're doing a twist out, you know, you're trying to do some finger coils, finger waves, all of that, get you this product. Next on the list is edge control and gel. One of my go-to edge controls for the past few years has been this Coconut Shea Eden Body Works. Listen, y'all know I'm not big on laying my edges, so this does just enough for me, okay? When I apply it, it's gonna give me, you know, a day. Maybe two if the weather is just right and I'm not breaking a sweat as far as hold, but I love it. The smell is good, and I also appreciate the consistency. It's not too hard, not too heavy. It does just enough for me. I will say if you have like 4+ hair, you're probably not going to, you may not like this one as much, but my 2s, my 3s, stuff like that, I think you'll find some joy in it. But I don't like putting too much on my edges, so this is just enough for me. Next up, we have my BTL Braiding Twist and Lock Gel. Playing around with braids and stuff like this, and I absolutely love it. This is their extreme hold. They do have about four different gels, and then they also have a twisting cream, but this is my absolute favorite. It is the extreme hold, and it holds. It does exactly what I need it to do, so that's that. Next on the list is a thermal serum, and that's gonna be my Aqua-G. It is the C-Extend Ultimate Color Care with Thermal V. Y'all, I just tried this not too long ago when I was experimenting with like a blowout, and baby, between this and a blow dryer, my hair has never been so straight and soft after a blowout. So this will probably forever be on the list, but y'all make sure y'all get this, tell your stylist about it, because this is a professional product. Listen, this the one, okay? To follow up with the hair serum, we're gonna mosey on over to Heat Styling Tools. I have my new Chi Nano Iconic Technology hair dryer. Y'all, after doing some research for hair dryers, this one came up. It has all the things, blue light technology. It is made with titanium. It got all the things. I tell y'all, I've never had a blow dryer that dries my hair so quickly, so evenly. And it does have 2 attachments, love that. Again, I do believe I got this from a professional store. So if any stylists are watching me, or if you know you and your stylist really tight, be sure to let them know about this dryer. On the list are my protective styling products. Y'all, I've talked to y'all about these before, but I'm never gonna let it go because I love these products. Okay? So by Talia Wajid, we have our Moisture Cleanse, okay? And we also have our Protective Mist Botifier. I talked to y'all about this in my trip video about the products that I take. Look, I will die on this hill with these products, okay? And so if you don't remember, these are products that you can use in between time when you can't fully, you know, wash and condition, especially if you have your braids in, your twists, you know, any type of protective style. It holds you over and it does what needs to be done, okay? Next on the list is an oil, again by my girl Talia Wajid, is the African Healing Oil. The smell alone has me hooked, but also how it feels on my scalp. It also has all of the great ingredients. It does have like almond oil, vitamin E, olive oil, sunflower oil, some other things, but all the good things that I look for in an oil, this has it. It feels really good on my scalp as well as the clients that I have used it on. And last but not least, a lot of y'all have been asking me about my favorite hair care brand or line right now, or my go-to. A lot of these products are my go-to products depending on what I'm doing, but a product or products that I use every week or at least bi-weekly is my Talia Wajid Green Apple and Aloe line. I know I keep saying this, but I love these products. I love everything that Talia Wajid does. I actually haven't used a product of hers that I didn't like. I ended up switching over to her because I was using another brand and I felt like the shampoo in particular was not cleaning my scalp, which I thought was really odd because I don't use a lot of heavy products anymore and I try not to. There's like certain oils and waxes and things like that that I really steer clear of. You know, when you know better, you do better. So there's a lot of stuff I just don't use anymore. So I'm like, it shouldn't be that hard to cleanse my scalp. Like, what is going on? Anyway, switched over to Talia Wajid primarily because of the ingredients. Talia Wajid uses a lot of natural ingredients. Like, most times you can fully read her label, and that is something that I look at. Granted, I do have, you know, a little bit more product and ingredient knowledge these days, but it's still, I feel like, relatively simple for even the average consumer or buyer. And that's something that I absolutely love. Something else that really caught my eye about her is that it has apple cider vinegar and aloe. Okay, we know apple cider vinegar is like one of the best natural clarifiers. That's what it does. And it's good on the scalp, cleanses the scalp and the hair in general. And then aloe has these like soothing and moisturizing benefits as well. And it's just overall healthy for the scalp. Just all of it leaves my hair feeling really soft and clean. And I know sometimes as naturals, people are like, ooh, they don't really want that squeaky clean to an extent, but like sometimes you need that. Sometimes you do, you need a reset, okay? And I don't think hers is that strong at all, actually. And you can, I think it's a good, happy medium shampoo, okay? It's not a clarifier, and I don't really know if I would characterize it as a moisturizing shampoo, but it sits in the middle. My hair feels clean and soft after I'm done with the entire line, and I do try to stick with lines for pH reasons, so that everything is balanced by the time that I'm done washing and my wash day is over. So that's what I'm using currently. Whew, I tried to get through this video rather quickly. So y'all, I think that wraps up Naturally Hers favorite hair things of 2022. Ooh, I should have practiced that one more. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Drop down some of your favorite lines or lines you would like me to review, or any questions that you may have. I got y'all. Also, Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, and I look forward to speaking with you all soon. Bye.